Hey everyone, welcome back to another Idaho Falls market update. I'm Cody, a realtor here in Idaho Falls for CW Real Estate. And this month we're going to check out February, compare it to January a little bit, talk about the future predictions here. Interest rates, we're going to look at the lowest median and sold homes this month, show you some pictures so you can see some real world examples of what those look like and compare them to your price range, so you can get an idea of what the houses look like in our market that are selling exactly right now. So let's get into it. We're going to start off with home prices. So right here we have our 12-week chart. Home prices are up 10% year over year. I would say this is sort of abnormal with this. It's just staying high for this time of year and already starting to go up. You can see here we did have this similarly in 2022, which in 2022 the spring market was ended up being pretty hot, and then prices and days on market shot up quite a bit because that's when interest rates started to rise. So we'll see kind of how this is going to go this year, but if you're looking to sell, home prices are up right now. If you're looking to buy, that might be a hindrance to you. Here's our lowest sold last month, 210,000, 2-bed, 1-bath, 814 square feet, 1950, and it was on 0.11 acres. So I would say this is pretty typical from what I've been seeing for our lowest solds. It's been well above 200, 240 even for most of our lower single family homes that aren't mobile homes. I don't include those in here usually. Price for our median is 410,000, 5-bed, 3-bath, 2,552 square feet, built in 2013 on 0.38 acres. Not a bad little place. Definitely looks like 2013 with this color choice here. Very typical for that range there. Did have some darker colors in the primary bedroom though. Price $925 for our highest, 7-bed, 3 full baths with 1 half bath, 4,666 square feet, built in 2017 on 0.66 acres. This place is pretty nice. I actually really like these curved ceilings. This is pretty cool. That's all I got for our comparisons this month. Here's our chart. You can see last month we really had a lot of new listings. That's tapered off a little bit, but our closings are up quite a bit this month compared to last month. I was starting to wonder how this was going to shake out going into the spring. If it was going to stay like this, I would say we were moving well into a balanced market, but it's kind of pulled back and now we're back to where we were on inventory. I'll talk about that here in a second. So here's our total active single family listings. We're at 303, which is 2% up from January. New listings are 119, which is 22% down from January. Closings were at 90, 43% up from January, so a big jump there. I think we just had a holiday lag, I guess, on closings. Pendings, 110, 12% down from January. And our months of inventory, our single month and our 4-month average that I do are both at 3.4, so back to what would be called usually a pretty strong seller's market. So that's to be taken into consideration when you're looking at buying in the lower price ranges. There's probably going to be some stiff competition. I'll talk about how many homes are for sale in certain price ranges here in a bit. Our new listings average price was $484,000, up from $477,000. Median sold price is at $410,000, down from $425,000, and our homes under $300,000, we're only at 27 homes, which is up 7 from last month, which is good. $300,000 to $400,000, we have 83 homes for sale in Bonneville County. And then our average days on market's at 58, down from 67. So picking up a little bit there on days on market. And then I always show you guys this now. If you're looking to sell and you kind of know your price range, these are going to be your days on market on average right now. So 0 to 4, we're looking at 600 or 60 days. 4 to 600, we're looking at 54. 6 to 8, we're looking at 73. And above 800,000, you're looking at about 61 right now. Something side note, there was only 2 data points on this one, so not the best amount of data there. So moving on into interest rates, they did have come down in the last week or so. Can't quote rates, so if you're really wanting to get your exact rate, reach out. I'll put you in touch with some lenders. But we're kind of floating in that 6.5% range, which is a little better than it was because we were right up about 7 for the last couple months. So that's definitely a positive. So with these house prices in the smaller price range, if you're looking at that range, you really got to come up with a good plan with your lender and your realtor to make sure that you are prepared for a little bit of a more competitive market in the lower price ranges. Something else this month that I just looked at, consumer price confidence is down to it had shot down to the lowest point since 2021. So that's something to definitely keep in mind if the general population consensus switches to not a favorable view on consumer products and stuff. That can leak into the home market, and that could add to our inventory if people stop buying because of that. So I know I bought eggs the other day for $28 for 60. So if that kind of stuff continues, it puts a hurt on people's wallet and they stop thinking about buying houses or selling. So something to keep in mind. I'll keep track on it. We'll see how that goes. I know the eggs is like a specific thing because of the bird flu or whatever, but I just thought I'd mention it. So anyways, that's pretty much all I have this month. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. Like I said, home prices are up right now. So if you're looking to sell, that's you're going to get more than you did just a few months ago. So that's a positive. All right. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.